ASUS ROG Maximus Z890 Apex motherboard posts a rock-solid 9200 mounts DDR5 CUDIMM memory support at Gear 2 mode. ASUS's ROG Maximus Z890 Apex motherboard is going to be a beast of memory overclock, with up to 9200 mount Gear 2 support on DDR5 CUDIMM. ASUS's ROG Maximus Z890 Apex is the apex predator of DDR5 CUDIMM memory overclocking, up to 9200 mount speeds demoed at Gear 2 mode. We have seen a range of DDR5 CUDIMM results in early test results shared as demonstrations by memory vendors such as Team Group and G.Skill, but it looks like dual DIMM motherboards such as the ASUS ROG Maximus Z890 Apex motherboard will be able to squeeze out the best RAM capabilities out of the next-gen DDR5 CUDIMM modules. Our sources managed to send us some early test results of an ASUS ROG Maximus Z890 Apex motherboard running a pair of G.Skill DDR5 CUDIMM modules, F5 9000C4256H24G, which are rated at 9000 mount right out of the box. The Apex, being a top-tier overclocking motherboard that can push these DIMMs to their limits, was used to overclock the Trident Z5 CK modules to an impressive 9200 mount speeds using the Gear 2 mode. The motherboard can be seen running the DDR5 CUDIMM memory in the Run Memtest Pro software tool below. ASUS ROG Maximus Z890 Apex, DDR5 9200 mount Gear 2. Each memory module was overclocked with voltages going as high as 1.575 volts, but supporting these speeds is what matters, and it looks like the ASUS ROG Maximus Z890 Apex is going to be a killer product for memory overclockers and enthusiasts. We can also compare these results to the benchmarks shared by Team Group, which shows their own DDR5 CUDIMM modules running at 9600 mount speeds on an unknown motherboard, but the modules were running at a Gear 4 mode, which means that the memory controller runs at a vastly lower frequency. As a result, the ASUS ROG Maximus Z890 Apex was able to achieve a 24T cover speed of 2449.21 megabytes per second versus the 40T cover speed of the competing platform, which scored 2212 megabytes per second speeds. Team Group did share a 9000 mount Gear 2 mode in its demonstration, but from what we are hearing, the Z890 Apex from ASUS's ROG division might have an edge over the motherboard used by the T4 Steam, leading to better overall performance. The 9200 mount Gear 2 speeds are also the start, and we can expect even better results as the platform matures. The ASUS ROG Maximus Z890 Apex motherboard is already available for pre-order for $719.99 US and will be hitting retail on the 24th of October.